starting the day where we left off. Yeah, psych testing. So I have an exam today, exam number 2 in the class where I failed the first one, so this is not gonna be fun. About to film the Battle of the Bands for UPTV. This will be fun. Yeah.
It's always got to happen. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in. Can I get down so I like the way you work it. I got to beg you. I like the way you work it. Oh, I like the way you work it. Oh, I'm gonna need more than that next verse. I like the way you work it. A little bit more, okay. She's got a class style. Challenged by the town. I sure never act wild. Very low key on the profile. I guess you feel it is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it curves so free from the word. Rolling with my fatness, don't even know what the half is. You got to pay the way, just for sure to pay the review. I like the way you work it, trump tight all day, every day. Blowing my mind, maybe it's time, baby I can get you in my ride. I like the way you work it, I got to beg it. I like the way you work it. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I like the way you work it. I got to beg it. I'm saying I like the way you work it. So, I always thought it was like that, you know? I just go up to some girl and go a little Macklemore. You know, and just walk up and be like, yo, just gonna get wild. And it didn't work like that when I tried. It ended up differently. So let me tell you, 1, 2, 3. Try to talk to you, but just end up playing the fool. I trip on my words like I'm still a nerd stuck in middle school. And yet I wish I could speak in song and sing to you this way. Cause music's the only time I know what I want to say. I can be a man on stage, but I can't act my age. And I'm around you. Do you got me in a daze and nothing stops you days and sense about you. Oh. So I keep it jumping off you and coming out of the blue. But I had to write even though I know I just met you. See you're genuine and that's been the hardest thing to find. And then that you smile and no God can help but lose his mind. I can be a man on stage but I can't act my age. And I'm around you, no. You got me in a daze and nothing stops you gazing. Sense about you, sense about you, I'm here to know. If you'd ever choose to take a chance just to see where it will go. And I know it's crazy to write you a song, but one melodies is the only place that I feel my words strong. So when I bet you, gonna put down my guitar, let me say what I've been trying to say. If you're still listening this far, will you have me? I'll pay you. Just be honest to me, girl. That's my only golden rule. hate you, no, come on. You got me in a daze and I've been stuck shoegazing. Oh, yeah. Girl, you got me in a daze and I've been stuck shoegazing. Thank you, Darren Caker on sax, Daniel Ross on guitar, T Spoon on drums, Dr. Barry Boyd on Michael King. Thank you. Give it up. Come on,
This is the second day of spring. It's supposed to be like sunny and 70, as far as I'm aware. What the fuck? If that bus leaves, you're fucking kidding me right now. How's my hair? Good? Good. Got some dinner from the Ellie. I want to watch Torchwood. I'm glad I only had one exam, you know, that's nice. Because you have one shitty day and then you can kind of move on. But yeah, I was supposed to have an exam, and then I was meeting with a guy to talk about the horror show, and then I ended up kind of getting dragged into filming Battle of the Bands, and then I ended up just kind of sitting in the office for a while, so I was on campus till about 8. Which is a lot longer than I wanted to be, and then came back here and pretty much did nothing. I've been eating and watching Netflix. Super not exciting, whatever, man. So yeah, that's the night, man. The exam, I think it went okay, or at least I didn't fail it this time. I think I had there were 9 points and I wasn't sure about a 50, so that's like a 41 out of 50, which is much better than a 29 out of 50. So I'll accept it. But yeah, so I will see you tomorrow, okay?